All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We're looking at a massive, hidden opportunity in the modern workforce, one that's literally sitting in plain sight. Just think about it. Every workplace in the UK, every bustling office block, every sprawling residential building you walk past, they all share one desperate need. They absolutely need a facilities coordinator, someone who can respond fast, prioritize correctly, and keep things running smoothly when everything inevitably goes sideways. It's honestly one of the most consistently in-demand support roles out there today. So here's the million-dollar question we're exploring today. How on earth do you break into this field if you know you'd be amazing at it, but you just don't know where to start? There are so many people with incredible organizational skills who stay completely cool under pressure. They thrive in this, yet they're locked out simply because there hasn't been a clear, accessible pathway to learn the ropes. Well, the brilliant answer we're unpacking today is the LELAIL Facilities Coordinator Complete Career to Business System. It's an interactive, AI-driven platform that completely solves this exact problem. It's built for anyone who wants to explore, learn, practice, and ultimately build their own business managing building issues, contractors, and safety escalations. It totally takes the guesswork out of the equation and gives you a highly supportive, totally objective environment to launch your journey.
Moving right into Section 1, Learn, Practice, and Build Your Career Journey.
This perfectly maps out how the system builds your skills from the absolute ground up, completely risk-free. It doesn't just throw you into the deep end, right? First, you honestly test if you're even a good fit before committing to a thing. Then, you learn what a facilities coordinator actually does day to day. Step 3 is where it gets really fun. You get to practice on realistic, fictional cases. We're talking simulated building emergencies, tricky contractor coordination, the whole shebang. Finally, once you're ready, it helps you choose your specific route. Maybe that's employment, freelance work, subcontracting, or running your own independent business. Let's move to Section 2, AI assists, humans decide. Setting professional boundaries. Now, this part is absolutely crucial. The system manages expectations with radical honesty, and it does that to protect you. Because in this industry, knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do. You'll clearly learn to separate what's in your wheelhouse, things like coordinating contractors, tracking progress, and communicating updates, from the heavy stuff that strictly requires calling in a competent, authorized professional. You learn your exact boundaries so you never, ever overstep into regulated technical or safety decisions. Which brings us to a huge takeaway. The platform is super transparent about this. It offers no accredited qualifications, and there are no guaranteed business results. And it absolutely does not authorize anyone to make regulated safety calls. Those decisions must always stay with appropriately competent, authorized humans. The golden rule here is simple but powerful. AI assists, humans decide. All right, on to Section 3, running your daily operations, the practical side of your business. So what does this actually look like when you're up and running with your own, properly bounded, home-based service? Well, from day one, the AI is essentially your ultimate executive assistant. It handles the heavy administrative lifting, it helps you seamlessly open new jobs, meticulously track ongoing issues, and instantly prep professional updates for contractors and clients. It keeps your daily operations perfectly on track, which frees you up to focus on the human side of coordination and growing your business. Let's wrap things up with Section 4, Start Your Journey Today. Accessible, global, and ready now. If you're ready to jump in, you can access the platform right now over at LELAIL.com. You get full platform access, plus a downloadable PDF with 4 exclusive prompts just to get the ball rolling. And what's really amazing is that it uses a voice-first interface and supports over 100 languages. Talk about fundamentally lowering the traditional barriers to entry. Oh, and get this. If you decide to share this exact career to business pathway with others, they have an affiliate program where you earn a massive 50% commission on every single sale you generate. It's a seriously great secondary avenue for revenue. No one left behind. I absolutely love that mantra. It perfectly captures the core philosophy of the entire LELAIL platform. Because it's multilingual, voice-first, and highly structured, it ensures that anyone, anywhere, regardless of their background, has a fair, fighting shot at building a real career in facilities coordination. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final thought. You've seen how the system tests your fit, gives you risk-free practice on realistic scenarios, sets safe boundaries, and basically acts as your daily admin assistant. The opportunity is sitting right in front of you. So are you ready to step up, test your fit, and see if this AI-assisted model is the key to your future?